Hi guys, so today I'm showing you how I prep my nails for dip application. So the products you'll need are your e-file with a sanding bit, a cuticle trimmer if needed, a file 180/100, and also a cuticle pusher. You'll also need a fluffy brush to remove the dust. So let me show you how I prep my nails before any acrylic or dip application. First, I push back my cuticles on all my nails. This helps in removing the dead skin from around the cuticle area and prevents lifting of the nails. If we were to leave the dead cuticles on the nail plate, that would stop the product from adhering to the cuticle area of the nail and most likely would lift within 2 days, and we don't want that. So gently push back your cuticles with a cuticle pusher and you would start to reveal all the dead tissues that we want to remove. While doing this, you want to be gentle. This video is sped up, so keep that in mind. We don't want to hurt the live cuticles on the nail, so make sure we stay only on the nail plate. So on low speed on your natural nail, you're going to go around your side walls. It doesn't hurt or burn, so just go right up to the cuticle. Don't put a lot of pressure because it can cause friction burn. So just be gentle so that it could get all the dead skin off around your cuticles. This will help with lifting. If you have an issue with lifting of your dip application or any extensions, this could be the reason, because I don't have any lifting. You can also do this with your hand file if you don't have any e-file. Not getting all that cuticle off your nail can cause your product to separate from your nail plate, thus resulting in lifting. So in order to prevent that, do these steps. So I just push back the cuticles a little more just because. You can skip this step. I just like doing it because, I don't know, I just like doing it. It's not really necessary. Then using a buffing block or a nail file, medium grit, whichever one you have, just buff the nail to take off the shine from your nail. This will also help with lifting or nail popping. I have some clear nail polish on my nails, so I'm being extra vigorous to take off that as well. So if you're doing dip over your natural nails, this is where you would stop and then proceed to using your bond to dehydrate the nails. If you're using tips, you would apply your tips and then use bond to dehydrate the nails. The bond takes the natural oils off the nails so that the product could adhere better and reduce lifting of the nails. So apply generously. I didn't include the dip application in this video, but you have seen from my other videos how I apply dip powder. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!